Welcome. This instructional video focuses on an assessment starting while the students open the exam. Next, after answering, they sent the exams to automatic assessment. In studies, Eximia Tutor AI exam tool has decreased time spent in assessment remarkably.
The students receive a link from the teacher and click on the link, which opens the first page of the exam. Point 2 would need addition, that in every answer field have to be answered at least one digit. For the students, it is worth to mention. Read the instructions carefully before you start answering. It takes 30 seconds. Press Start Answering.
The student answers the questions either by writing in the text fields or in mathematics by clicking on the sum sign and inserting an equation on the top bar. The math editor opens. The answer fields are also activated by clicking Insert Equation, and the tasks are calculated with intermediate steps into mathematical resistances. Mathematical fields are answered either using numbers or LaTeX code. You can attach a picture or video to the tasks.
At the end, write the identification code. Usually, the code is the student's email address. However, it may also be an ID number or just their name. The teacher needs this information to connect scoring to the right name. Then press Preview and continue the process. The exam can be interrupted. Interruption, press Stop Assessment. The software asks the student to return the assessment with the identifier. Next, the software tells you that the assessment process was successful and asks you to disconnect the assessment connection by pressing End Assessment. After this, a notification will appear that the answer has been saved. The respondent's information has been removed from the browser, and the cache can still be cleared.
Now concentrate on the teacher assessment process. First, go to eximiatutor.com and log in. Set your username and password. Then, from the student site, press Management, and you reach In Management, Teacher and Constructor Rooms. Choose Assessments. First, make sure you have the correct assessment for the exam selected from the drop-down menu. All the exercises related to an assessment will be displayed. Select the tasks one by one from the Answer Position exercise menu and go through them. Answers can be sorted according to result, respondent ID, and return time. By pressing percentage, you will get the answers in order. If you have a lot of answers to check and not much time, the most critical are the weakest scores. Check it less them. In addition, the answers can be viewed as duplicates. This function compares the characters in the responses with each other. Frankly speaking, this feature is ready yet. The development of the comparison and, above all, the interpretation still requires development. The teacher can follow the similarity of different answers out of his own interest. If you have any ideas, we'd love to hear them.
Take a look and read the answers and accept by pressing Checked. If you want to prepare an assessment, e.g. add points, the student seems to know some of the review criteria. Changing assessment, go to the Found or Missing category field and click on Category. It moves the category to opposite side and the points change automatically. If for some reason you want give more or less points, you can overwrite AI assessment. Answers can be sorted according to the result, student ID, submission time. Duplicates can be analyzed from the Duplicate button on the right. This prohibits the use of a similar source or the same answer. Sometimes students upload two similar tests, and a duplicate is created. When you have pressed Checked to all and every answer has checked, then you can finally press the CSV button and run the summary result table to your Excel file. You may have to edit the Excel table before you can forward the results to students. In Excel is Advise field, and you can make a question how to organize, or in YouTube is Reasonable Files.
Thank you for watching the instruction video. You can be in contact by sending mail info at eximiatutor.com.